I had a surprise side effect. And I want to say it's a medication, but I'm not sure. I did go online and do some research on this and see who else out there have experienced this since being on the medication. And so the surprise side effect I've been having with this drug. Oh yeah, just like I said before, the food noise is gone. It's no more cravings, no more planning out dinners. Like, I don't even want that. My wife call me, hey, what you want to eat? I'm good. I don't want nothing to eat. I don't feel hungry, or if I'm still full from earlier. Like, you be so full, like you can't eat none of those. Like, you feel like you eat something else, you're gonna be sick. You know. Now I don't feel nauseous. Like, I haven't felt the side effects. Let me go over the side effects in a second, okay? But I feel like, hey, wait a minute. Did you hit the subscribe button? What you doing? You got to hit the subscribe button so I can make videos. I told my wife that we're gonna quit. Okay, I told my wife when I get 1 million subscribers, I'm quitting my job and I'm doing this full time. So hit the sub button so I can make that happen. Thank you. I don't want to eat. It's not a nauseous feeling. It's a feeling of you're full already. So you don't want to put anything else in your body because you're already full. That's the best way I can explain it. It's like a mental thing. You know, this medicine is different. This stuff right here is different. It's almost like, I can tell you something. I used to be anemic, right? A long time ago, I was anemic. And I had this habit. I was eating ice. Now, I thought I wanted the ice, and I was eating the ice, and it felt like I wanted the ice. And let me tell you how anemic I was. You know you're anemic and you eat ice, well, you know who got the good ice. Sonic got the good ice. Zaxby got the good ice. Chick-fil-A got the good ice. And you know what I mean by the good ice? That's the little bitty nuggets, like you at the hospital ice. You know, I go get a whole cup of ice and used to eat it. And I felt like I wanted the ice. I felt like I had the sensation to eat the ice. Until the doctor found out I was anemic, I did an iron infusion. I didn't want to eat no ice no more. Like, I had no desire to eat ice no more. It was weird. It's the weirdest thing. You couldn't tell me I didn't like eating ice. You couldn't tell me that because I felt like I had to eat the ice. However, once I got that iron infusion, I didn't want the ice no more. Like, I had no sensation, no desire to. And to this day, I don't eat ice. I don't care if it's Chick-fil-A ice. I just don't eat ice like that. But I just don't. It's like the urge to eat ice is gone. That's how this medication is. It's like something mental in your head used to tell you that you was hungry or that you wanted something to eat. But since you've been taking this medication, that noise is gone. It's turned off. So that feeling you have, like, even when you feel hungry, that's fake. Like, it's gone. No longer you feel hungry. You don't feel hungry. You feel like you just don't think about food. Just like, you know, like anemic, you didn't think about ice once you got treated. With this medication, you're not gonna think about food. That's the best explanation I can even compare it to.
How? Hold on, bro. How?
It's something on a mental level with this medication that just stops the desire to eat. It just stops it in the track. All right. So next, side effects. Now I'm gonna give you my honest list of side effects. Okay. First, being nauseated. I can't pronounce it. Nauseation.
Stop it. Get some help.
Nauseated, being sick, feel like I want to vomit, throw up. I don't have that with this drug. I don't. The first shot, I'll say day one, I think the first time I took the shot, I felt a little bit like I wanted to vomit, but in 5 minutes it was gone. So it came and went and haven't been back since. I ain't had a problem since. So I don't feel like I'm gonna vomit. I don't feel like I'm gonna throw up or anything like that taking this medication. If you're having that feeling, you know they got medication like Zofran that can help you with that and calm that feeling down. But I don't have that. Maybe I'm taking the 2.5. It'll change when I get up to the 5 milligrams. But right now, I don't feel nauseated at all. Like zero at all. All right, next, headaches. None. Zero headache. I don't get headaches. I'm not a real headache type person anyway. I don't experience a lot of headaches, but I don't get headaches while I'm taking this medication. It's fine. Nothing's going over my head. I don't feel stuffy headed or anything, okay? So no headaches. Next. Now, I will tell you this. I had some things that happened to me since I've been taking this medication. One was the constipation. And if you want to know about that, watch the last video. And week 2.5, I had to make you all a special video just to tell you, don't do it. Don't do that, what I did in that video. Remember, go through the front door, okay? So as far as constipation, a lot of you have been giving me some great information about Mag 7. I haven't had it yet. I'm going to get it. And once I get it, I'll review it for you and let you know what I think about it. So far, I've been doing the Facilian Husk. And with the Facilian Husk, I've been doing the chia seeds. And that's about it. Facilian Husk been no issue, okay? So as far as constipation, it's still not 100% smooth. You know, you're definitely gonna, I think because, you know, the GLP-1, the constant slow digestion, you're gonna, it's like one of the side effects of medication that you just deal with, you know. So definitely keep your fiber intake up. And people said about Marilax, ballerina tea. That's another good one. You can definitely do that. Senna, ballerina tea got senna in it. You know, it's herb. It helps you use it. But I just been taking the protein. When I drink my protein shake, I put the fiber in the protein shake and I'm good. And I do a little chia seed on the side and I'm great. You know, I have no other issue with constipation since then. As far as cramps, I ain't had no cramps since week 2.5. No cramps, no cramp feeling at all. That has not been an issue. So cramps are not there for me. All right. Now I do have a surprise. I had a surprise side effect. And I want to say it's a medication, but I'm not sure. I did go online and do some research on this and see who else out there have experienced this since being on the medication. And so the surprise side effect I've been having with this drug, I can't go to sleep.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Yeah, insomnia. Like I feel up. And even when I lay down, it's like I'm up. And like I said, day 3 and 4, I'm wired. And normally the insomnia don't start to day 3 and 4. But those are the same days I get a lot of energy. And I'm wired. Like I feel wired. Like I'm up, I'm on it, I'm moving. I don't feel tired. And I went like, seriously, I went like a day and a half some days without sleeping because I'm up. It's like, I try to lay down, I try to close my eyes, but I can't go to sleep, you know? And when I go to sleep, it's time for me to wake up and go to work. So I got no sleep and I was worried about it. And I talked to my brother about it. He took Zepbound before. He the one told me about it. But he told me I need to drink something. Yeah, he told me I have a drink. So I was like, have a drink? He was like, yeah, drink something. I said, you're not supposed to drink on Zepbound. Like, what?
Do it! Just do it!
He's like, yeah, you can drink on Zepbound. So I had me a drink that night. I had me, he made me a drink. And it was like it was a Grey Goose. I drank Grey Goose and like a sugar-free mixer drink. I drank that and I kid you not, I slept like a baby. Like, and then I've been sleeping ever since. So I hope it fixed it. I haven't experienced insomnia since. But like I said, normally it goes away after day 4. Day 5, 6, 7, first, second, I sleep good. It's just around day 3 and 4 where I get the energy. Like, insomnia is there. So if you all experience insomnia, please put it in the comment below and let me know if you experience it too. I looked it up online. They said there was no side effects associated with Zepbound with insomnia. However, I don't know. Maybe it could be a coincidence, but nothing really a coincidence, So just let me know. Let us know in the community if you've been having that surprise side effect of insomnia, okay? Next, my mental and emotional state. How is my mental and emotional state being on Zepbound? Okay.
Oh, hey, I'm just about to go to bed. I know we couldn't Skype tonight, but that's all right. Good night, girl. I'll see you tomorrow.